moving on, the best not purchase I've ever done in. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Priyasha and thank you for watching me and thank you for giving me the privilege to entertain you. And also, if you're new, I would love if you would hit the subscribe button on my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. But anyways, if you're a regular subscriber, so welcome. In the Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder, it is launched recently and trust me, it is actually a very nice compact powder. Honestly, for me, I prefer compact powders more than setting powders. I prefer setting powders when I do high baking and all, but I prefer compact powders more. They set my face more beautifully. So I ordered this and the shade Vanilla O2. It is SPF 15 and up to 12 hours oil observation. I completely agree with the packaging. I've used this as well, and it retails, it is for 8 gram and it retails for 240 bucks. And the packaging is also really cute. It's not opening. It comes with this as well. I have used it once, like just when I had to do the touch up, but otherwise you all know it's brush. I broke it accidentally a little bit from side, so I have to fix it. I can't show you like this, but I can give you the closer look. So I broke it from here. But this is how the shade looks. I'll just do the swatch for all of you. Wait, it's actually dangerous right now. This is the swatch of it. It's actually very lightweight. It's not one of the heavy compacts, you know. It's like this, and it's actually pretty good for 250 bucks. If you're getting this compact and you know the quality is really good, so I think you can definitely go on with that one. Then I bought it again from Inside Cosmetics. You have seen me using those concealers and the stick as well, but for the review, it is full coverage. I'm using Golden Sand. And the lighter one I use is 01 Sun Beige. So it is actually really nice. It comes in handy with a wand. It is actually really pointed so you can apply it correctly. So if you're looking for a good concealer, I will definitely tell you to go for this one. I don't know for how much grams it is, but it retails for 150 rupees each. This is 150 each. I don't know the shade. I think it's 3. The shade number is 3. It's written and it retails for 300 bucks. This is how the contour stick looks. It is actually nice. It really blends in like butter smooth texture. You don't have to worry for that. And this is how the highlighter looks. I'm not using this highlighter, but just show you. It's that easy and that's pretty to use. I always go for sticks when it comes to, you know, contours or highlighters, because I find it way more handy and way more easier to use, you know, because contour powders or highlighters, you have to blend in them correctly, and with sticks they're easily blendable as well, and it looks more sharp. At least it works really nice for me. So I bought this as well. Just cannot control when it comes to lipstick. These are the new lipsticks that I bought. I bought 2 from Inside Cosmetics. It's non-transfer lip color. It's one is 13 Toffee Cream. It's a really nice red pinkish shade, and trust me, it is actually non-transfer proof. And if you're not one of those persons who lipstick nahi khate hain, then I will definitely recommend you to buy these. And then I bought in the shade 04 Ferocious Pink, and this retails for 170 rupees each. And for 170 rupees, a non-transfer lipstick is really, really worth your money. So I would definitely recommend you to buy this one. And this is more like on the shade of, I have it in Maybelline as well, but this is a very nearby shade to Smashbox Gulabe shade. So if you're looking for that high-end shade in your vanity, and if you're not ready to buy the Smashbox one, because the Smashbox one retails for 2100, so if you're not, you know, going in that for high-end ones, so you can definitely go with this Insight one. It is 04 Ferocious Pink. Then I bought Maybelline lipsticks. I restocked my 656 Clay Crush. I'll restock this lipstick of mine because the best nude matte I have, and I wanted that. And I bought the best shade. I'm wearing it right now. The hands down one of the shades that I've been obsessed and I've been using it on a regular basis is 660 Touch of Spice from Maybelline, same collection. This is how the shade looks. Isn't it so pretty? I mean, just go ahead and buy it. Just please buy it, please. Then I bought this Faces Canada in the shade Love Nude 09. It's a red shade lipstick. I don't have a red shiny glossy lipstick, so I went in. It's not one of those matte lipsticks that has the. Then the next thing I bought again from Inside Cosmetics is the Makeup Fixer spray. I got this setting spray from Inside Cosmetics and it looks like this. It's a glass bottle. The packaging is really cute and it is for 75 ml and it retails for 270 bucks. This fixed my makeup like a charm. I applied it for the first time over there because, as I said, I was not using makeup for 3 weeks and now, but I applied it for the first time over there and trust me, you'll not regret buying this. It is actually really cute. I wanted a strawberry lip balm. I got a pack of 3. It comes in a pack of 3 only. You cannot purchase one single now. So yes, I got it 3 and it retails for 10 grams and I think I got the 3 for 300 bucks. Yes, 3 lip balms for 300 and it is actually really nourishing and moisturizing. My lips are not chapped since a very long time since I applied using this. So you can definitely buy this. It's actually really nice, affordable lip balms. And then I went ahead and I bought a white kajal because my eyes are really small, and when you apply a white kajal in a waterline or above, it makes your eyes look open. So I ordered the NY Bay Long Island Deep Intense Kohl Pencil. It's in the shade white. Yes, it's only written white. It's water resistant, smudge proof. I totally agree, it's water resistant. This is how the packaging looks. This is how the color looks. It's actually really cute. So I bought this. And now I bought a facial razor as well. It came in a pack of 3. This is the Let's Shave facial razor. I got this. The blade is actually really nice and you can use it easily to trim your eyebrows, to trim your face. I have just done it today. So I will definitely recommend it. It comes with a pack and you don't have to worry for the blades. They are really nice quality and you'll not get any cut or anything on your face. Oh, I missed one lipstick. I bought the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Matte Lipstick in the shade 11 Choco Lava. This is how dark the shade looks. It is actually, I'll show you the swatch of this. It is this dark brownish shade. I had no shade like this in my vanity. And it looks so beautiful when you do a very minimal eye makeup, when you do a really nice just mascara or some gloss eye makeup with this lipstick. It looks actually really nice and the packaging also is super cute and sexy. I love the packaging of this one. Then we are done with the Nykaa haul and just the PR packages left. But the most awaited, the brand that मैं कब से शुरू से बोले जा रही है that I wanted that in my vanity and everything, is Huda Beauty. I finally have the Huda Beauty in my vanity. My dream came true. And also I got the mini lipstick. It's in the shade Bombshell and this shade is actually Bombshell. One of the most prettiest nude pink shades I own, and the 660 Touch of Spice and this is the best combination and I've been obsessing over this. Of course, I mean, it is hell matte. It will not move for 24 hours, you guys. Please go ahead and buy Huda Beauty. Just please. So it retails for the lipstick retails for 1200 bucks. It retails for 2400 bucks. And there you go. This is the eye range that I have. This is the eye colors that I got. I'm currently wearing that makeup right now. I've done the eye makeup from this palette only. I use the lavender shader on my eye. When I tell you that this is the palette that I have been obsessing over since a very long time, and when I got it, I have it in my hand. It just feels surreal. It feels like, you know, my dream has come true now to own a Huda Beauty palette. But yes, finally I have it, and there's no words for this palette. Just I'll tell you in one straight line. If you want to invest in makeup, if you want to do makeup on a regular basis, or if you do makeup like me on dinners and everything, just buy this. Just simply buy this beauty and you'll come to know what I'm talking about. The color range, the quality, the payoff, the waterproof, and how beautiful they're looking. I mean, you just even can't compare how nice and the pretty these shades are looking. I mean, just this is the closest look I can give you all. So just go ahead and buy this beauty, please. So pretty much everything is over from the Nykaa haul now, but I have the few PR packages. I got all the PR packages from MyGlam that I'm going to show you to you right now. It is the MyGlam K-Play Peach brush. It's in the shade Strawberry, I remember. Wait. It's 03 Sweet Peach, sorry. This is how the butter, it looks, it smells heaven. It does smell heaven. And look how cute peach shade it is. It is actually really beautiful. It looks really nice and plum on your face. I will definitely, you know, if you don't have a peach blush in your vanity and you're looking for one, you know, not that high end, I have the Milani one as well, and that is on the lighter peach, but this is proper peach shade. It's coral peach shade, and I've been using this since a long time. Ye mere paas kab se aa gaya tha, and I actually don't know the price because it was sent to me in PR, but it's written over here. It's for 9 grams and it retails for $645, but I got this in PR. So, but I think for $645 you can have one blush in your vanity, you know, because, and also it is matte blush. It is not the glossy blushes, it is matte blush, and it will not move unless you remove it with face wash or, you know, with your cleaning pads. So you can definitely invest in this as well. It is actually really cute and handy. Then I got this MyGlam Tinted Up Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade Frostic. I don't know what, wait, it's written. It's 8.5 ml and it retails for $695. It's written like bahut chotu sa, but yes. And I got this. This is the shade. This is actually, you saw me using in the nude makeup. You have seen the shade, how it looks. It's actually really cute. It is glass finish, glossy and all, and you can definitely buy it also. And just let me tell you that you might be confused that jo maine saman dikhaya hai, like all the Nykaa, I've told you that, you know, it's all a great investment. You can buy all of it because actually it's a great investment, and for beginners as well, and for, you know, if you do a makeup like me on regular basis. So this is the stuff I think we all need in our vanities, like for doing on a regular basis, to also doing like professionals or anything. But I will highly recommend you all to at least try these products out if you want to. But yes, I found no product bad, or, you know, that something happened to my skin because of these products or anything. So this is the reason that, you know, I'm telling you that you can go ahead and buy all these products, and the reviews are extremely good. And you all know how transparent I am with you all. If the product is not good, then I'll directly tell you all. But yes, these products are actually worth your money, and these are not a bad investments. Then I got this Magic Potion Roll-On Illuminator by MyGlam. This is in the shade Unicorn. You also saw me wearing this in my nude makeup tutorial. It is actually the Unicorn shade roll-on. It's like purpley shade. It comes in a super cute glass bottle. It's a roll-on, directly applied on your high points, and voila, you see the glass finish, the gloss finish. And you haven't checked it out how beautiful it looks, just click the link in my bio and you'll directly head it to the updated nude makeup tutorial, so you'll be able to see that. Then I got in again some really high-end products from MyGlam, and after Huda Beauty, my second dream came true. Manish Malhotra products. This is the Tulsi Cleansing Face Gel and I got the Amla Moisturizing Gel. Let me just introduce the products to you first. The packaging, super luxe. It's all glass, super luxe. It comes with a lid, you know, so it's easy for us to handy in it. It actually comes with 2 lids. Sorry, I forgot. Not 1 lid, it comes with 2 lids. Manish, Manish Malhotra, this, and this is the Tulsi Cleansing Gel. This is how beautiful the texture is. Like, it's so slimy and jellyish, but this is how the texture looks. So I got this as well, and touchwood, this, like after Huda, I have had Smashbox, I have MAC, I have now Huda. Now I think 2 or 3 brands are only left in my checklist to have in my vanity, and I think that I hope I'll be getting that soon as well. But after Huda, I wanted Manish Malhotra, and just it came true, and it felt surreal at that moment, and it's still surreal that I have them in my vanity and I'm using them. But yes, then this is the this is the Amla Moisturizing Gel. It again comes with a lid like this, and this is how beautiful color the texture looks like. And this each retails for, I don't know the grams because I have no idea, they sent me this. It retails for 945 bucks, and it is for 50 grams. Both of them is for 945 bucks each, and both of them are for 50 grams each. And because I got this in PR, and it's not because, you know, I've got this in PR so I'm promoting the brand or Manish Malhotra anything. You all know that I will not lie you about any product or something like that, but just Manish Malhotra is certain, you know, thing that you want in your vanity and all. So I will definitely tell you all to go ahead and buy this as well. I know it's pricey, but for 50 grams it's pricey, but it's Manish Malhotra. Like, just cut to the chase, we'll do that. It's Manish Malhotra. So I'll recommend you all to please go and buy them. And yes, then I have 3 more products left. This one more lipstick is in the shade Manhattan. It's a creamy matte collection, and it's actually really matte and creamy. It won't make your lips look chapped or something. Then I have their eyebrow powder and the liquid liner in the shade Ebony and Walnut. And I really like the liquid liner application because it's this thin. It's really nice application and easy peasy application. Then we have the Veely's Perfection, and this is also the eyeliner, but this is in the Veely side, you know, for the wings and for making just the eyeliner in a perfect style. So this is all for the PR. Yeah, this is all for the PR, and this box, voila, is empty now. It has the highlighter inside, that is why, but the K-Beauty highlighter, I just kept it inside. But yes, so this was all I had for you in the Nykaa haul and the PR package. The review is all there now, and for the e.l.f. and the 2 more beauty blenders that are coming, you will see me using them in the next video. So till then, tata, see you. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching me, and take care of your loved ones and your near ones. Please do not step out of your house if it's not urgent. Take a mask and a sanitizer with you. And thank you all for loving me and staying with me and watching me, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I love you. Mwah.